Hey, it's Mason from Mason's Forex Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please hit that subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. So we are back on MetaTrader 4. If you notice on your right hand side, there is a connection status. So it's a combination of green and red bars, and this tells you that your MetaTrader 4 platform is actually connected to the internet. You can also see this, in our case, this 26/2. So that tells us that we are actually downloading data, or we are using data. Now what I've noticed is, and this forms the hack, if you go to Market Watch, you'll notice we have approximately, or rather over 100 instruments here. Because all of these instruments are open or shown on this Market Watch, it ends up downloading unnecessary data. What I recommend you can do is, you simply right click on this Market Watch and you click hide all. So it's clearing everything. Currently we have US Tech, which is the chart shown here. So it's not removed. And let's say you're trading 3 pairs for the day. So what you can do is you can right click again, you go to symbols, and you can choose the 3 symbols, or rather the three instruments that you use. So in our case, let's just say it's Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. You can see it appears. We chose Australian dollar, USD appears. And finally, CAD CHF. You'll notice it appears here. And then you simply go to close. So this is my hack to save data. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.